Hi, in this lesson, we see what are views. View is a way of presenting data. You can relate this view to the templates that we see in Excel or Google Sheets. So, in Excel or Google Sheets, templates are used to make sure that there is a consistency in terms of how and what you wanted to deliver, right? So, you don't have to change anything. Once you define a template, you just need to update the data so that the client will get same format on every single day. If there is no template, you need to do more work in arranging the columns, metrics, each time the client requests the same kind of report. Okay, you are getting me right? So let's say there are 20 columns. Every day, you need to make sure that these 20 columns are arranged properly and matches as per the client request, right? So it will take a lot of time for us to arrange those columns and to verify whether those columns are correct or not. Okay, so if we have a template, it is easy. We just need to make sure that we just need to provide the proper data. Okay, it saves a lot of time for us. So in Google Sheets, we have templates, right? You see, when you open the Google Sheets, you can see here this template gallery. Okay, so we have different kind of templates. You see here, these are different kind of templates. You just need to provide proper data here and they will get updated automatically, right? So similarly in Google Ads, views are very uh, there are views. Okay, there are views that are similar to templates. You just need to make sure that so what you wanted to view, okay, what details you need to have in that view, that's it. So this is very simple. Okay, let's go into Google Ads interface and see what are the views now. Okay, so let's say that I want to have a view like impressions greater than 0 and cost greater than 0 at the campaign level. Okay, so here what I will do, I will go to the filter level. Here I will make sure that impressions is greater than 0 and I add another filter, cost, okay, is greater than 0, right? Like this, click on apply. Okay, after you adding those filters, so in this way you can add the filters, right? So now what I will do, I simply go to the save here. You see here. So before that, make sure that you have proper columns arranged. Okay, impressions, clicks, cost, all those things are arranged properly. So after you arrange all those columns, just go here and save this column. I mean, save this view. Okay, just click on it and you name it. Okay, let's keep it as a daily view. Okay, if you want, you can make sure that this you can make this as a default view, or you can simply save this one. Okay, so now whenever you are doing that same task, you just select the date range, this one, right? You just select the date range and select the required view. So where will be the view? You see here, here it is present here, and just click on view. Okay, just refresh once, let's see it. Okay, you go here and click on view. So what it will do, it will retrieve the data, it will retrieve the all those filters and columns, so that you don't want to, or you don't need to again add those filters and columns. So here it is not coming, let's add it. Okay, once again, so I am deleting this one so that we will have an idea. Delete, right? It is taking little time here, so let's refresh once again and see how we can do it. Let's see. So there are no views now. Okay, there are no views, so let's add it. So we have added impressions greater than 0, we have added click cost greater than 0. So click on save here. Let's say this is a daily view, right? Daily view. uh, let's keep the account name as, or let's keep the date, today's date. Okay, 2024, and save. Right, I have saved now, I have saved the view. So let's say I went here for the ad group level and I have come here. Now I wanted to view the same columns and same metrics. in the same format. What I will do, I will just click on the date range, what in what date range I wanted to view the data, and go here. Okay, let's say earlier it was all campaigns. Okay, it is not there. So now what I will do, simply I will go here and select this daily view. Okay, it has to come actually. It is showing little errors, but this is how we have to save the views. Okay, let's see once again. Let's refresh it. Okay, right. It has to come. Looks like a error with the Google Ads. You see here. So or else, or you can keep here. Search campaigns. Here we use the search campaigns, or just make as default. Okay, okay. So it is not coming. Looks like there is a bug with this editor now. This is the engine now. So, but this is how we can save the views, and you can view the performance of the columns and the metrics. So you don't want it to add, or you don't need to add those columns and those filters every time you view this data. Okay, so this will be very useful when you are working in the live accounts, because sometimes you need to add some columns. Some columns are missing whenever you refresh the account. Some columns will be missed. So in that case, you can simply go here and select the required view based on the view you wanted to see. Okay, you can also view multiple views. That means you can also select, you can also create multiple views. Okay, let's say here I wanted to view all campaigns. Okay, let's say um, so. Okay, let's keep this view. Okay, bid strategy type. So bid strategy type is manual CPC. So where is it? Just want manual CPC. Okay, now what I will do, I save this one, create a new one, bid manual CPC. Okay, save. Now I am refreshing it. Let's see. Okay, so I want only manual CPC. Earlier it is all columns. First it will be all columns. Now I want only manual CPC. Click on it. So looks like there is an error. It has to come actually. Okay. Uh, Again manual CPC, but looks like there was an error with this engine now. So this is how you can view the data. I suggest you to create these views in your engines, in your Google Ads account, so that you will get an idea how we can navigate in between the views, these views. Okay, let's select this. You see here, now it is coming manual CPC. We have selected the daily pacing view, but it is coming manual CPC. So looks like there is a bug here. Okay, now, so I suggest you to practice this one, so that you will be habituated to using these views. Okay, so we will meet in the next one.